guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful hat wig. If you find this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So the first thing you need is a hat. I'm going to use this beautiful hat. You can use whichever hat that you have, but just make sure like you can fold it like this or it's already folded. Like this one I bought it like this, like it was already folded. And then I love this one because it was fluffy and warm, but you can use whichever that you have. You can use this type as well, the red one. Like just make sure it's folded like this so that when you crochet the hair on it or when you sew the hair on it, like no one can see the thread or the hair. So the next step is to turn the cap inside out so that you know you're going to crochet the hair on it. So you have to turn it inside out. If you can crochet it when it's like this, that is okay. But then if you're going to put it on a dummy or a block, then you have to turn it inside out. Knowledge of provenance. You are my life, you caught me renegade. I used this twist, it's called Mambo Twist number 1 and long. So I used 2 packs. You can use 1 pack if you don't want it to be fuller, but I wanted mine to be fuller. So I used 2 pack. Each pack had 2 bundles. So this is 1 pack. So guys, if you want it to look fuller like mine, then you need 2 packs. I wanted to crochet the hair on the fluffy part, but then I couldn't pull my twist through the fluffy part. So if you have a cap that you can pull the twist through the fluffy part, the better, because you know we want when you fold the cap, you don't want someone to notice that you know it's a wig. Just make sure you crochet like some few inches from the edge of the cap or from the hairline of the cap. Yeah. I crocheted the hair like just 1 or 2 centimeters apart, and it was uniform because I didn't want like to crochet one side so many pieces and run out of the pieces, or crochet more on the other side and less at the back. So guys, I really love this wig because I just wanted to create something unique. Of course, you've seen the wig hat out there, but I just wanted to try the braided hat or the twist hat, and I really loved it. This wig is beginner friendly, like anyone can do it, because of course you know you're going to buy the twist, unless if you want to make the twists yourself. And then you can crochet the hair on the hat, or you can sew them if you can't crochet, or if you don't have the crochet hook. Yeah. So guys, just comment below if you love this wig, if you can try it. So I'm done with my first pack, and this is the second pack. So as you can see, like 1 pack won't be enough. It won't look natural compared to using two packs. Yeah, so try and use 2 packs. Been on the streets a few months. I'm trying to pick myself up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. And although my flaws had dragged me down on the coldest night, I'm still kicking around. And then I saw you back before my time was shortened. No, throughout my life you've called me a renegade. Oh, throughout my loves you said we could start again, but I'm a renegade of your love. So guys, here is my beautiful hat, and I love how warm it is inside. So I'm just going to try it on, and just comment below if you love it and if you can make it. Yeah, like this vid, I used 2 bundles. I used 2 packs. Each pack had 2 bundles. Yeah. Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, said myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, said myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. I know the truth. For today, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you loved this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.